Hello students, in this lecture video, we will discuss the last two topics of this chapter, that is regulation of cardiac activity as well as the disorders which are related with the cardiac system or circulatory system. First, let us see how this activity of our cardiac cycle as our heart is pumping the blood, how it is regulated. Firstly, it is auto-regulated process. Now, what do we understand by auto-regulation? Self-regulation. Auto means self. So, in the heart itself, in the right atrium, there is a nodal tissue which is called as SA node, sino, atrial node and AV node, which is atrioventricular node. What these nodes do, these are nothing but a collection of cells, tissues, which will initiate the pumping of the heart. That is, it will initiate the heartbeat. So by itself, it is regulating. So we can say that the heart is myogenic because it is itself regulating its activities. Second is the autonomous nervous system. One thing is the central nervous system. Another is the nerves of our brain as well as spinal cord, which forms peripheral nervous system. Part of it is autonomic nervous system. In that there are two parts, parasympathetic and sympathetic. Both of them increase and decrease in activity and hence regulate any type of function in the body. So parasympathetic generally decreases the rate and sympathetic increases the rate. So parasympathetic decreases the heartbeat and sympathetic increases the heartbeat. So that is how it is going to, you can say, regulate this. Then there are certain glands which are present above the kidneys, which are called as adrenal glands, and these are present in pairs. They release certain hormones which also regulate the cardiac activity. So how our heart activity or cycle is controlled? Firstly, itself. Second, with the help of this nervous system. And thirdly, with the help of hormones. So both hormonal control is also there and nervous control is also there. Next is the disorders which are related to the circulatory system. First is hypertension. Hyper means more. When the blood pressure is more. So the normal blood pressure is 80 by 120 mmHg. Now what is this 80 and 120? This is showing the high level and the low level of the BP. Now what do